Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Today we're making soft and fluffy blueberry muffins. Here we go. First thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 375. Then we're going to prepare our muffin tin. You can either use some cooking spray or butter with a little bit of flour. I prefer to use muffin liners. Makes cleanup way easier. Okay, in a small bowl, we're going to measure out 360 grams or 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk that up until well combined. Now for the wet ingredients. To the bowl of our stand mixer, we're going to add a half a cup of room temperature butter. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar. We're going to beat that until it's light and fluffy. Takes about 2 minutes. Okay, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. Make sure that they're completely combined before adding the second egg. Okay, now that we've got the eggs mixed in, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sour cream, and a half a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. We're going to mix that up until well combined. Now we're going to mix in half of our flour mixture. Then we're going to add our blueberries, and we're going to mix those in. Then we're going to mix in the other half of our flour until almost combined. We're going to switch to a spatula to avoid over mixing. Then using a cookie scoop, we're going to fill our muffin tins almost to the top. And we're going to place those in a preheated oven at 375 for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then we're going to leave those in the pan for at least 5 minutes before moving to a wire rack to cool. And there you go, blueberry muffins. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.